several years ago that Daryl Whiting and Lowell Schreier had shared with me of a remote broadcast from Guadalcanal in World War II, 1942, with a group he called the Tune Toppers. So these are my Tune Toppers. Dr. Jeff Grosser on the accordion, Larry Lutan on the guitar, and Terry Grosskopf on the bass. Pretty much what he had, he traveled from island to island and on ships all through the South Pacific. He did 6,000 shows in 2.5 years, 460 locations, sometimes 20 shows a day with this group. So we're doing a few songs like he would do. And the medley I heard on that first recording, he used in his show for the rest of his life, which was Stardust, Some of These Days, Nobody's Sweetheart in Some of These Days. And for those who are in the military, would you please stand, or who serve the military, or spouses, we have some tokens for you, some lays to get you in the mood. My wife, Carla, will come around and share them with you. Anybody who wants a lay.
What a guy.
So we're going to do Stardust and the Stardust medley.